What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday the 13th, and today we're back at Costco. Clearance Fridays here at Costco. Take your shoes off or relax. The weekend is here. Let's not waste any time and get into the video. But first, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, including myself. Let's get on with the video. And starting the video off in the number one spot, we're looking at the Pro Keeper Plus. This is the fresh produce keeper. And today we do get a set of 3. These are very nice. They do keep your fruits and vegetables lasting a lot longer. It has a built-in airflow vent system, which is great, allowing airflow to move smoothly right through it. Now, there's no replacement cartridges needed in the system here. These are BPA free, and as you can see right there, they are stackable, which is great. That's a nice space saver for your refrigerator. Now, these are currently on clearance. You can pick them up online for $29.99, but here at the warehouse, they're $19.97. In the number 2 spot, we do have another PC currently on clearance. We're looking at the CyberPower Extreme Gamer Desktop PC. This does have the Intel Core i5 with the old NVIDIA graphics card, the GeForce RTX 4060. Now, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments section. I do believe the 4060 does overheat, but I can't remember. So leave a comment below if you know. 32 gigs of RAM with a 2 terabyte hard drive. Now, you do get the gaming keyboard with mouse included. It has a 2 terabyte solid state hard drive, and you can pick it up here at Costco for $899.97. I do believe it's going to drop a couple $100 more. If you want to buy it at Costco online, you can grab it for the same exact price. And then directly behind me, another fantastic deal. I might as well show this very quickly. We have another price drops on ribbons. We have so many different colors and variations at my local warehouse. This is a great buy. For only $2.97, you can get 50 yards of ribbon. So many different choices to choose from. A fantastic price. If you still have some left at your local warehouse, why not grab 1 or 2 on hand? This is such a great deal. And for Father's Day, I did put out a video yesterday on Lowe's. Make sure you watch that video at the very end. So many great deals. Here at the warehouse, why not pick up this Blackstone 6-piece griddle toolkit? A fantastic kit, currently on clearance. If you have it at your local warehouse, what a great Father's Day gift. This is only $16.97. And then to my left, from Chef IQ, we have another great Father's Day idea. This is their smart thermometer. Comes with a hub. It's a 2-probe set. They're waterproof. They're dishwasher safe. It does have a little bit of a love-hate relationship because it is quite expensive. So either you're going to love it or you're going to hate it. Now, a lot of people do love it. It's compatible with your grill, your smoker, your air fryer, your deep fryer. This is a fantastic tool, just quite expensive. I do believe it's going to drop a little bit more, $79.97. And then to my left, a little bit more, we have the Igloo Beverage Tote. Now, these are pretty nice. We have 2 different color variations. We have the black and we have the brown. These are great to carry your 40s. Maybe you can carry around some wine bottles, some champagne bottles, but they can hold up to 2. They have a divider down the middle. They also have the advanced max cold insulation. Here at my warehouse, this is all we have left, just some scattered bags, but they also have the brown available, $9.97. And here we do have a couple of return pallets. Well, at least that's what I like to call them. These are actual just customer returns. These are brand new unopened items that customers return, whether they purchased it here at the warehouse or whether they bought it at Costco.com. These are just returns. A couple of items here are just leftover inventory. We can see the blackout curtains. Those are most likely leftover inventory. We have the humidifier. We have the iHome. We have the shampoo. We have that silverware set, the Sharper Image warmer towel. Some great items here. Now, these items will sell out lightning fast. This will be gone probably within the hour. These will be totally gone. These are all great deals. The Sharper Image warmer towel, only $60. Fantastic deal. So all these items, I do get some comments saying they've never seen a manager special, or they don't have these clearance items, or they don't have these specials. Every warehouse has great deals like this. It's just these items sell very quickly. You know, you're competing against employees. A lot of employees get first dibs. Then you're competing against resellers. Like, resellers like to buy this stuff and then they resell it on Amazon or they resell it on Marketplace. This Napoleon B set, this a 20-piece set goes for like $120 on Amazon. This is a 45-piece set for going for only $70. Amazing price. Now, items like this, people will buy. They'll resell it on Amazon. They'll resell it on Facebook. People will buy it. And then you got smart shoppers that do go on forums. They go on Reddit. They search for these types of things, and this is what they look for. So I did want to show these deer foam slippers just to show you a little point. Last week these were $9.97 on clearance. This week they dropped it down to $6.97. Now you can see there it did put a dent in the inventory, but after this weekend, I guarantee you they're going to drop it down to like $3. Then all the resellers are going to buy them up and then they're going to resell them on Amazon. And if you love entertaining or maybe you have a very large family, this is a pretty awesome 1810 stainless steel 65-piece flatware set from Mikasa. We do have two different variations at my local Costco, but these are very nice. They are a service for 12, so it is quite large, so keep that in mind. But this is a very nice set, 1810 stainless steel, and check out that price, only $44.97. So I do have a couple of Costco online clearance deals that I did want to share. We have this beautiful 4-piece bath set. So you get the shower curtain, which does have this nice waffle texture on it. You get an inside liner. You get 12 stainless steel hooks, which are great. They even include a nice cotton terry bath mat. And we have 3 different colors to choose from. A fantastic deal at only $14.97. And I do know some of you missed out on the Delta Children Dinosaur bookcase. A lot of you want it. Here we have it again on clearance at Costco online, shipped right to your front door for only $79.97. Now, if you're not a fan of the dinosaur, we also have last year's model, the Delta Children Tree bookcase. Same price, $79.97, shipped right to your front door. Another amazing price here at Costco.com. And last week, I did show everyone the OXO water bottle and cleaning and drying set. Pretty amazing price last week at the warehouse for only $12.97. But a lot of warehouses did sell out, so here's your chance to pick it up if you missed out. Only $2 more at $14.97. So as most of you know, every Friday I do like to put out a new Costco clearance videos, and I try to put out new content every Friday. Right in front of us, we have the very popular Fortessa Jupiter. These are the 13-ounce tumblers. They come in an 8-pack. These are the same matching set that do go with the Fortessa cereal bowls. We often saw that on my channel, but a lot of warehouses only have the blue left available. You can pick them up both at Costco online, whether you want the blue or whether you want the clearance, for $19.97. Here at the warehouse, we often saw just the blue available because everyone loves the clear. Now the blue is just as nice. I do prefer the clear myself. It matches those cereal bowls. Now check out that bead design, super awesome. These you cannot microwave, but they are dishwasher safe. No microwave. These are not microwave safe. They are dishwasher safe. These are going for the same price, $19.97. And then for our little ones at home, in the number 11 spot from Whiskware, we have their stackable containers. These come in a 3-pack. These are super cute. We have the Bluey and then we have the Paw Patrol. 2 different variations. I think at one point they did have the Hello Kitty as well. Very popular items here at Warehouse, but the new It item is Stitch. This is going for $12.97. And moving on, check out how much inventory we have left at my local warehouse. We have these 3-piece tower lanterns. Now, last year's set, I did like a little bit better. This year, it's okay. Now, these are metal lanterns, which I like about them. The flame does look somewhat real. I do expect another drastic price drop, so stay tuned for that. Now, it does come in a 3-pack. The reviews on them are kind of decent. Not the greatest, not the worst, not bad. If it drops down in price even more, I would definitely consider picking them up at $22.97. And moving on to the number 13 spot from Polder, we have their under the sink storage caddy. Pretty awesome caddy. Now I know a lot of people are going to love those tulips. They look pretty amazing, but those, unfortunately, they're not on clearance yet. I will let everybody know when they do drop in price. Now the storage caddy does have a nice snap-on bucket, has an adjustable divider insert, which is great. This is a nice caddy. It does distribute the weight pretty evenly when you pick it up. What's great about it, it feels pretty amazing in your hand. Now what would Michael Scott say? $9.97. And then for those of you who are wondering, the tulips is a 23-inch arrangement. That goes for $46.99. Also from Seville in the number 14 spot, we have their bamboo stackable bin organizer. Now we get 4 pieces here. I was thinking about buying it for myself, making a nice little coffee/tea station out of it. The middle part, the dividers, those are removable only in the larger sections. The smaller ones, those are stackable. Pretty awesome set here. Now we do get 4 pieces in total. Now you can make the configuration any way you want. You can remove the dividers. Pretty awesome set here. Now it's not 100% bamboo. The base of it is MDF, so keep that in mind. This goes for $19.97. And I do know a lot of people have been waiting for this one to drop on clearance. We have their mesh rolling cart here. It's a 4-drawer, very, very easy to assemble, so don't worry too much about that. Has a nice large storage capacity. It's 4 drawers that are mesh, and it does have 4 casters on the bottom. That way you can swivel it around. Now 2 of the casters do lock into place. Has that beautiful tabletop too as well. Now this is currently on clearance. Just the white version. If you like an all black version, you got to grab that online. This is going for $44.97. Another great gift idea for dad, we have the Cobra Dark Speed Irons. We get 5 through GW, so you get the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 iron. You also get the pitching wedge and the gap wedge. These are great because they do have a hollow cavity, so these are steel shafts. So with the hollow cavity, it does take some of that vibration out of them. $5.99.97 for the 7-piece. If you're in the market for a new refrigerator, check this one out from Frigidaire. Now this is going to sell out pretty quickly. It's not the largest, it's not the smallest, but it is a good size at 20 cubic feet. The freezer's on the top. They deliver it, they install it. You get a 2-year warranty. They haul away the old refrigerator, all for $599.97, less than $600, and it is Energy Star certified as well. In the number 18 spot from Safe Racks, we have their storage bin rack. Now in my video yesterday from Lowe's, I did show the 27-gallon storage bins on sale for only $8.98. You can pair it up with this storage bin rack from Costco. This is from Safe Racks, a company that's veteran owned, so get out there and support your veterans. $39.97. Now this model that's currently on clearance is all stainless steel. Costco has brought in their new model, which is all black. Not stainless steel, but all black. The same exact specs. It does hold up to 5 of those 27-gallon storage bins, as you can see there. Same design, same exact everything. It's just all black, and it does go for $69.99. What I love about the company is veteran owned, like I mentioned. So get out there and support your veterans. $69.99. In the number 19 spot from Artisa, we're looking at that rope basket. Once again, what a great price. Now, what I love about this basket, it folds up very easy so you can tuck it away in storage. Very nice size here. I do like it a lot. It's quite large at 22 inches in length, 19.4 inches wide by 16.9 inches in height. Very nice item here. Such a good size. You can pick it up at Costco online for $28.99. Here at the warehouse, it's currently on clearance for only $16.97. In the number 20 spot, this time from Trinity, we're looking at their 3-bag laundry cart. Now this cart does have a flip up top, which is great. That makes it super easy to take your clothes in and out of, which is great. We have the matching shoe rack right next to it, also from Trinity. Now this item is not on clearance, it's not on sale, but it has been marked discontinued. So keep an eye out on this product. Look for that clearance price. It should drop on clearance probably in the next week or two. So definitely keep an eye out on that product. Back to the laundry cart mat. Now all the tools are necessary to assemble this. It has a nice soft close lid top to it. $39.97 on clearance. And here we have the Type S Deluxe Memory Foam Seat Cushion. Pretty great reviews online. I do like it. I have it myself. I do feel like it's been breaking down a little bit. I've had it for now a couple of months. It's nice because it has a washable fabric. I like that. You can use it in your car, your home, your office, either or. You can throw it on your car seat, in your office chair, which is great. Now it's designed to provide relief to your back, your tailbone. So if you're sitting for a long time, this is a great item. Also, a stand-up desk works well too. I just bought one of those, $29.97. And for this week and next week and the following week, we're going to have a lot of clearance in the patio section. We have the furniture, we have the LED lighting, we have the solar patio pillar light, we have planters. All that stuff is on clearance currently, and they're going to be selling very, very fast. Grab it this weekend because a lot of stuff is going to sell out this weekend. This pillar light right here, 32 inches in light. The solar panels at the top. It has a garden stake so you can hammer it into the ground if you are going to put it on grass. $39.97 on clearance. And then right next to it, we also have the very popular wind chime. That's also on clearance as well. Now the stand is not included, but they do have the stand at Costco online. It's been selling out left and right, so I don't know if it's available anymore. You'll have to check. On clearance for $24.97. Another fantastic price. And we also have the 65-inch Bloomington cascading cup fountain. Now, when this is plugged in and it has water in it, it sounds pretty amazing. Assembly is required, so keep that in mind. It's beautiful. It has that painted finish, that copper finish. It does have a nice 206 gallon per hour adjustable dry pump. Pretty awesome product here. Looks amazing. $149.97 on clearance. Behind that, we have the white planters on clearance as well. Those concrete planters, those are pretty sweet. And here we do have a nice little lounge set from Bamboo. It does sit right on the ground, so that's one thing I didn't like about it. It does include a side table, which is nice, but if you're carrying both of them, it does have a little bit of weight to it, and I do prefer, what's it called? Como se llama? The Tommy Bahama chair instead. And I do prefer that one a little bit more, not a little bit, a lot more. Either one of the Tommy Bahamas is better in my opinion. Now, I like both of them, the tall boy and the shorties. Those are both great, but this one's on clearance, so if you're in the market for this one, definitely check it out. We have two different colors. We have the yellow, we have the blue, and these are priced at $29.97. And now for our fur babies, we do have a couple of great items for them. I have two dogs myself. We have Lady to my left, we have Buddy to my right. Those are my two dogs. And now I do have Nico on my lap. You want to say hi? Say hi. Hi, hi, hi. So we have these full fur mats. These are currently on clearance, these pet mats. These are going for only $9.97. I was definitely tempted to pick one of those up. We also have these very nice large dog beds from Kirkland. Now these Kirkland signature beds are pretty awesome. They're quite large, so if you have a larger dog, these are perfect. $29.97. 46 by 36 inches. Or maybe you have two dogs like myself. You can throw both of the dogs on there. Pretty awesome. And before we end the video, friends, I do want to wish all the fathers out there happy Father's Day. And I am going to post a little picture of my first Father's Day gift for my own son. I was very proud today to receive that. Wishing everyone a happy Father's Day. Happy weekend to everyone. All right, friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. If you want to support the channel even further, hit that thumbs up button. Drop a comment below. I'll see you tomorrow with Costco's discontinued deals. I'll see you tomorrow, friends. Peace. No.